Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start an online business in 2025, step by step. Step 1. Find a profitable niche. Don't try to sell everything to everyone. Focus on a small market. For example, digital products, fitness coaching, or even tech accessories. The key is, pick a niche where people have problems and they're willing to pay for solutions. Step 2. Validate your idea. Before you build a business, test the idea. Go to Google Trends, Reddit, or Quora and see. Are people searching for this? Are they complaining about this problem? If yes, congratulations, you just validated your business idea for free. Step 3. Build your online presence. In 2025, your online presence is your shop. Create a simple website, use Shopify, Wix, or even WordPress. Start a social media account, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. Share valuable content that solves problems in your niche. Remember, people don't buy products, they buy trust. Step 4. Launch a simple product. Don't wait for perfection. Launch something small. An ebook. A simple online course. A digital service. You can improve it later. But if you don't launch, you don't learn. Step 5. Marketing and growth. Now that you have a product, you need traffic. Use free traffic, TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. Use paid ads only after you see some sales. Always remember, content plus consistency equals customers. Outro. So there you go, 5 simple steps to start your online business in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to start their business this year.